Hi students, today we are going to discuss about trigonometry 10th class 11th chapter exercise 11.3 fourth bit. If tan A equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equal 90 degree. A plus B equal to 90 degrees అని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. Solution: given that tan A equal to cot B, రెండిట్లో మనం ఒకటి చేంజ్ చేద్దాం, cot B చేంజ్ చేద్దాం. We know that tan of 90 degrees minus A equal to cot A. A ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది, B ఉంది కదా, equal tan A equal cot B can be written as tan of 90 degrees minus A ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది, B ఉంది కదా, B రాయండి. బోత్ సైడ్ tan కామన్, రెండిట్లో ఈక్వల్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. A ఈక్వల్ టు 90 degrees మైనస్ B. మైనస్ B ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ టు లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ప్లస్ B. A ప్లస్ B ఈక్వల్ టు 90 degrees. Prove that A plus B ఈక్వల్ టు 90 degrees అని ప్రూవ్ చేసాం కదా. hence proved. 90 degrees below angles are called as acute angles. A and B are acute angles. Fifth bit: if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2 అని చూపించాలి. Solution: let A, B, C are interior angles of a right angle triangle ABC. Draw a right angle triangle ABC. Interior angles. Sum of interior angles in triangle ABC equal to how much? 180 degree. The sum of interior angles in triangle ABC is 180 degree. Therefore, A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. A plus B equal plus C transposing to right hand side. 180 degree minus C. Dividing by 2 on both sides, we get A plus B by 2 equal 180 degree minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 equal 180 degree minus C by 2 can be written as 180 degree by 2 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 equal to 1 jar to 90 jar 180 degree. 90 degrees minus C by 2. So that tan of a plus b by 2 equal to cot c by 2. LHS equal tan of a plus b by 2 equal tan of a plus b by 2 value equal to 90 degrees minus c by 2. We know that tan of 90 degrees minus a equal to cot a. A plus లో ఏముంది c by 2 equal tan of 90 degrees minus c by 2 equal cot c by 2 equal RHS. Sixth bit, express sin 75 degree plus cos 65 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. 0 degree and 45 degree above angles, two angles. మనం ఏం చేయాలి, 0 degree and 45 degree మధ్యలో ఉన్న యాంగిల్స్ లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి. సొల్యూషన్ గివెన్ sin 75 degree plus cos 65 degree. Sin 75 degree can be written as sin of 90 minus 15 degree. 90 minus 15 equal to 75 plus cos 65 degree can be written as cos of 90 minus 25 degree. 90 minus 25 equal to 65. We know that sin of 90 degrees minus a equal to cos a. Cos of 90 degrees minus a equal sin a equal sin of 90 minus 15 degree equal to cos 15 degree plus cos of 90 minus 25 degree equal to sin 25 degree. 0 degree and 45 degree మధ్యలో ఉన్న యాంగిల్సే కదా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. cos 15 degree plus sin 25 degree.